Hey everybody, I'm attorney Mike Contant. A question I'm often asked is whether drunk driving is a felony or a misdemeanor. And to answer that question, I think it's important just to understand the difference between a felony and misdemeanor in Massachusetts. And the confusion often comes in because Massachusetts is kind of a weird definition. Most states, as well as the federal government, say that a felony is anything that's punishable by imprisonment by a year or more. Mass does it differently. So what Massachusetts says is that their law says is that anything that has a potential punishment in state prison is a felony, and everything else is a misdemeanor. All right, and that doesn't mean you are likely to get something in state prison. You're getting charged, getting sentenced to state prison. It basically says that the law says it anywhere in there that that's one of the potential punishments for you, some term in state prison, then it's considered a felony. And if it doesn't, if it just says the maximum sentence is a fine or a sentence to the House of Correction or something like that, and that never mentions state prison, then it's considered a misdemeanor. All right. In the context of drunk driving, there are charges in the drunk driving law that some are misdemeanors and some are felonies. So, for instance, a first offense drunk driving charge is considered a misdemeanor. The maximum punishment is 2.5 years in the House of Correction. Likewise, a second offense, while there's parts of it that are ratcheted up, more minimum time you'd have to do, the maximum sentence is still 2.5 years in the House of Correction, so it is in fact a misdemeanor. Now, a third offense or above, those have state prison potential to them. In fact, a third offense has a potential sentence of state prison of between 2.5 years to 5 years. So, 5 years maximum state prison with the minimum state prison of 2.5 years. So that's important to understand that a third offense or above is in fact a felony. Now, there's other types of drunk driving charges that have both felony components and misdemeanor components. So, motor vehicle homicide caused by drunk driving has both a misdemeanor version as well as a felony version. Same thing if it's a motor vehicle causing serious bodily injury due to drunk driving. That also has a component in there where the person can be charged either with a felony or the misdemeanor. So it's really important to take a look at the actual charge that you've been charged with, review the law, the statute, to know whether or not you've been charged with a felony or a misdemeanor. So if you have any questions about whether your charge is a felony or a misdemeanor, or any questions about this or drunk driving at all, please feel free to give me a call or shoot me an email. I'd be happy to speak with you about it. Thanks and have a great day.